Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this update to kick off the week, two pretty exciting developments in a market that a lot of traders think have to move opposite to one another, and I'm talking about the US dollar and gold. And both of them actually at the same time have reorganized via the 8, 13, 21, and 34 EMAs to now a double green uptrend. And so, first of all, these two don't necessarily consistently move opposite one another. And gold doesn't have to move lower for the dollar to move higher or vice versa. You can see what we have also on gold, which, by the way, means we can start buying dips in gold just as we have been buying dips and even oversold chop in the US dollar. So as the dollar continues to climb higher, and obviously it looks like from time to time that these two are correlated, but let's talk about what the connective thread really is, because it's not a causation. The connective thread are bonds and inflation, which when you put those together and look at the sum of what those two tell us, it has to do with real yields. Gold has an inverse relationship to real yields. Real yields is the percentage of a bond minus the rate of inflation. And as that drops, gold tends to move higher. So I'm not saying that we have to see necessarily an unyielding falling real yield to send gold higher, and we don't have to see dollar move lower to send gold higher. They're both bullishly structured at the moment. So exciting news is that we can start buying dips in gold. And then the same thing is now we can continue to buy dips in the dollar. And the first question is, where can we buy dips in gold? And I'm going to be focused mostly on the area in the vicinity of about 1835, and then more conservatively right around 1827 in gold. Now, if we get all the way down to about 1814, which I'm not holding my breath, I don't see that coming anytime soon. But if we end up seeing these kind of corrections, let's think about the economic calendar. Same thing goes with the dollar. If we're going to see pullbacks in the dollar, and if we're going to see pullbacks in gold, let's think about the economic calendar. And if we head on over there really quickly, what could be a catalyst for that kind of volatility? Well, starting tomorrow, we have just a slew of Fed members speaking. Bostic, Daly, and then we go into, and by the way, Lagarde speaking Tuesday evening could move the euro, which is also going to move the US dollar. So we have a lot of reasons on Tuesday, again on Wednesday with Williams, and again another just a full-on barrage of FOMC members speak. And then going into Thursday, I mean, these two markets, gold and the dollar, and also the euro, are going to be in play. So let's keep an eye on that. Let's put it on our watch list today on Monday, and I'll see you in the next update. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.